Step 1. Set up the base station 2.0. Place the base stations 5 meters or 16 feet 4 inches apart. This allows the base stations to have a 150-degree horizontal field of view. Mount the base stations above head height, ideally over 2 meters or 6.5 feet above the floor. Tilt down the base stations to an angle between 25 to 35 degrees. Step 2. Connect headset to computer. First, connect the cables to VIVE Link Box 2.0. Then, connect the USB cable to the USB port on the computer. Connect the DisplayPort cable to the graphic card's DisplayPort. Finally, connect VIVE headset cable 2.0 to the link box, and then turn the link box on. Step 3. Pair the controllers. In SteamVR, open the menu and select Devices, and then Pair Controller to pair the controllers. To turn on a controller, press and hold the system button until you hear a beep and see the status light turn blue. To pair the controllers with the headset, press and hold the menu and system buttons until the status light blinks blue and then turns to green. Step 4. Wear the headset. To get ready, flip open the earphones, loosen the top strap, and loosen the headset band by turning the dial counter clockwise. After placing the headset over your head, turn the dial clockwise until the headset band fits snugly. Tighten the top strap and place the earphones over your ears so they fit. Press and hold the lens adjustment button to slide the headset visor forward or backward. Turn the IPD knob until you get a clear display. Mute or unmute the microphone from the right earphone. Adjust speaker volume from the left earphone. Now, get ready to be visually, physically, and emotionally amazed by new virtual worlds.